Here's a list of basic English words and phrases to start with, covering common topics that will help build a foundation for learning. 1. Greetings and introductions. Hello, hi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is. Nice to meet you. Goodbye, bye. 2. Common phrases. Please, thank you, you're welcome. Excuse me, sorry. Yes, no. Can you help me? I don't understand. How much is this? Where is the bathroom? I'm lost. 3. Numbers 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4. Colors. Red, blue, yellow, green, black, white, orange, pink, purple, brown. 5. Family members. Mother, father, sister, brother, grandmother, grandfather, aunt, uncle, cousin. 6. Basic verbs. Eat, drink, go, come, make, do, say, speak, sleep, work, like, want. 7. Common objects. Table, chair, book, pen, phone, computer, window, door, car, bed. 8. Days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 9. Basic adjectives. Big, small, good, bad, happy, sad, fast, slow, hot, cold, tall, short. 10. Question words. What, where, when, why, how, which. 11. Common prepositions. In, on, under, over, next to, between, behind, in front of. 12. Simple sentence structure. I like pizza. She is a teacher. He is reading a book. They are going to the park.